Deepseek is distinguished by its ability to generate various types of interactive applications, ranging from simulations to design and analysis tools. Here is an exploration of the application building features offered by Deepseek. Interactive simulations. Deepseek can generate simulations, such as that of particles enclosed in a box, by adjusting various parameters such as the speed, size, and color of the particles. The code can be generated in Python or HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. When the code is in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the application can be viewed directly in Deepseek. Generation of color palettes. Deepseek is able to create applications that suggest aesthetic color palettes. These palettes are useful for designing website themes or applications. The user can select a base color and get suggestions for complementary, analog, or triad colors. Creation of interactive musical instruments. Deepseek can generate an interactive piano usable with the mouse. It includes functional black and white keys. Deepseek can improve the design and functionality of the application after receiving feedback from the user. Image and text analysis on mobile. Deepseek allows you to analyze images taken directly with the phone, recognizing text and providing relevant information. This feature is accessible via the free mobile app. For example, Deepseek can analyze the nutritional values of a product from a photo and give an overall rating. How the creation process works. Deepseek uses its advanced reasoning model to ensure that each step works properly. This template is available free of charge. Instructions for other applications. Deepseek can be used to generate instructions for other applications such as Bolt, which is a platform for creating one-sentence applications. It can provide instructions to create functional and aesthetic applications relying on Bolt, such as an investment analysis application. In summary, Deepseek offers a range of application creation tools ranging from interactive simulations to design and analysis tools, all available free of charge. This accessibility contributes to the democratization of digital tools.